Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips on how to make life better. Today, let's discuss 15 creative ways to reuse plastic bottles at home. So let's dive into these 15 fantastic ways to breathe new life into those plastic bottles you would otherwise throw away. Plastic pollution is a global issue, but small actions at home can lead to a big impact. Cut large plastic bottles in half, poke some drainage holes, add soil and your favorite herbs or flowers, and hang them up. Cut holes in the bottle and insert wooden spoons or dowels for perches. Fill the bottle with bird seed and hang it from a tree branch or hook. Use plastic bottles to create a storage organizer that fits perfectly in any space. Cut the bottles into halves or thirds and use them to hold stationery, makeup, or kitchen utensils. You can also decorate the bottles with paint or markers to make them more aesthetically pleasing. Birds will love the elevated perches and you'll get to enjoy watching them from inside your home. This will allow water to slowly seep into the soil and provide your plants with the hydration they need to thrive. You can easily make one by cutting and shaping a plastic bottle to fit your phone perfectly. Making a broom from plastic bottles is easy and requires minimal supplies. Just cut several bottles into long strips and fasten them together using a strong adhesive or plastic ties. The strips should be long enough to reach the desired length of your broom, and the width of the strips will determine the thickness of the bristles. Securely attach the strips to a sturdy handle such as a wooden dowel or broomstick, and now you have a brand new broom made from recycled materials. Just cut off the bottom part of the bottle, place it somewhere convenient, and label it. We hope these ideas have inspired you to think outside the box and find creative solutions for everyday problems. Not only can you reduce waste and save money, but you can also make unique items for your home or office. So next time you're about to throw away a plastic bottle, pause and consider the possibilities. With a little imagination and effort, you can transform something ordinary into something extraordinary. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. It's a great way to keep your space clean and prevent littering. You can also use this method to create a recycling bin for your office or classroom. Not only does this keep your phone off the floor, but it also prevents tangled cords and a cluttered workspace. You can easily make a unique lamp by cutting and decorating a plastic bottle to fit over an existing lamp or pendant light. Keep your pantry organized and your kids entertained with a DIY snack or candy dispenser. It is super easy to make by cutting a plastic bottle in half and adding a flip top or twist cap. Fill it with your child's favorite snacks or candies and they can easily dispense their own treats. This is not only a great way to reuse plastic bottles, but it also encourages independence and portion control for kids. Or you can make a fun nightlight by placing LED lights inside a clear plastic bottle and punching holes in it to create a soft glow. It's a great way to reuse plastic and add some creativity to your home decor. This is an excellent way to recycle plastic and make something both functional and stylish. It's an excellent way to conserve water and ensure your plants stay healthy and hydrated, especially during dry periods. Just cut the bottom part of the bottle and now you have a handy-dandy scooper that will make your life easier. They're an excellent way to recycle plastic waste and give it a new purpose. To make eco bricks, stuff clean, dry plastic wrappers into bottles tightly and leave no air pockets. Then seal the bottle caps tightly. Just cut a small section off the bottle and mount it on the wall using adhesive strips or screws. It's perfect for holding toothbrushes, razors, or combs, and it's easy to keep clean. This is an excellent way to make the most of your bathroom space and reduce waste. These compressed plastic blocks can be used to make garden furniture or for insulation projects around your home. This is a great way to reduce plastic waste and give it a positive use. It's lightweight and durable so it can withstand heavy loads without breaking or bending. Plus, you're giving new life to an item that would otherwise be thrown away. If you are not really good with plants but still want to enjoy the benefits of greenery in your home, then this hack is for you. It's easy to make a self-watering planter using a plastic bottle. Large plastic bottles are perfect for creating mini greenhouses for your seedlings. Just cut the bottom part of the bottle, place it over the seedling and secure it with a rubber band or string. The plastic will trap moisture and heat around the seedling, creating an ideal environment for growth. It's also a great way to start seeds indoors during the winter months. You can easily make multiple mini greenhouses from different sized bottles to fit a variety of plants. Just cut it in half, insert a wick, and keep the bottom half filled with water. The plants will absorb the water as needed, so you won't have to water them manually. You can also use this method to make a self-watering pot for your balcony or garden. This is a great way to save space and add some greenery to your home or balcony. You can also use this method to make vertical gardens. By stacking them on top of each other, you can grow a variety of plants without taking up too much floor space. Today, let's explore 15 creative and useful ways to reuse plastic bottles, saving money, reducing waste, and helping the planet. Whether you're an avid recycler or just starting out, these hacks will show you how to turn ordinary plastic bottles into extraordinary solutions. Number 1. Hanging garden planters. Do you want to grow fresh herbs or flowers but don't have much space? Number 2. Self-watering plant system. Number 3. Bird feeder. Give back to nature by making a DIY bird feeder from a plastic bottle. Number 4. Watering can. Don't throw away those plastic bottles. You can easily transform them into a watering can for your garden. Just poke some holes in the bottle cap and squeeze it gently until the water starts coming out of the holes. This is perfect for watering indoor plants or for giving your garden a quick drink during hot summer days. You can even decorate the bottles with paint or markers to make them more fun. Number 5. Storage organizer. Are you tired of your messy drawers and countertops? Number 6. Scooper or shovel. Need a garden scoop or pet food scooper? A strong plastic bottle with a handle is all you need. Number 7. Eco bricks. Have you heard of eco bricks before? Number 8. Mini greenhouse. Number 9. Drip irrigation system. Make a slow drip irrigation system for your plants by poking holes in a plastic bottle and burying it near the roots of your plants. Number 10. Phone holder while charging. Keep your phone off the floor and your desk clutter-free with a do-it-yourself phone holder. Number 11. Broom from bottles. Why buy a broom when you can make one yourself? Number 12. Desk lamp or nightlight cover. Add some color and ambience to your room with a plastic bottle lampshade. Number 13. Snack or candy dispenser. Number 14. Toothbrush or razor holder. Tired of cluttered bathroom counters? Use a plastic bottle to create a toothbrush or razor holder to keep your bathroom tidy. Number 15. Mini dustbin. Last but not least, a small plastic bottle can be turned into a mini dustbin for your car or desk. There you have it, 15 fantastic ways to reuse plastic bottles instead of throwing them away.